Welcome back, guys. As we started the practice into the OpenCV and we are learning the basic operations for OpenCV. So here in this lecture we will try to understand about the pixels. So here as I mentioned I am in the second exercise folder. If we see what exists in this folder, this is logo.png images here. So let's move to the Python 3 terminal and run it. So normally we will import the numpy as np and we will import the OpenCV as well. So OpenCV is CV2. So here we are going to read the image cv2.imread, and here we will see logo.png because this is in the same folder exist, and here one means like here we will read the image as it is right now, the current state of the image. If we'll provide here the 0, then it will read this image as a black and white. So here we go, we read this image, and let's see now what is means like this object img look like here. If we see here img, it looks like an array of the data. If you see here, it's an array of data and data type is the unsigned integer 8. So let's see here the type of img. It's return the class numpy n-dimensional array. So this is the image object is the n-dimensional array. So if we can just check the length of this our array, the image object. So 739, basically its length is the 739 a row it means. So if we want to see what is the first object of this this array, so let's see, it's the 600. 600 are the columns basically for this image object. And if we want to see here the channels in this image, like first row and first column, then here it is showing 3. There are the 3 channels. So here is the no transparent layer added in this image. If the transparent layer added in this image, then it must return the 4 here. So it is now returning 3. RGB means like red, green and blue channels for it here. We can also means like see the shape of the image by this shape function. So it means like 739 rows, 600 columns and 3 channels. So here if we want to see the image type, then just needs to write the image dot type. It will return type data type of this, then it will return is the unsigned integer 8 ru in it 8, the type of this our array. What does that means? It means like 2 multiplied by 2, so 256 means like this. Its length must be from 0 to 256. So here the value, as we are talking about the image, so and about the pixels data, so the maximum the value for that image 0 to 256 in this case. So suppose here if we want to means like check the pixel data at 10th row and 5th column, then let's see what it is. So it's showing that this array of the 256 3 channels value 2 and data type is unsigned integer 8. So here on the 10th row and 5th column, the pixel is the white color because all these 3 are the 255, then it must be the white pixel. So here also if we want to check the data channel wise, so here suppose if we want to check the data for first channel, which is the 0. So if you see here, all the pixels data for the first channel means like RGB. So first one, the R channel or the first channel, all the pixels data is over here, like in this format. Also, you can check the size of the image by using the size method as well. So here, this is the pixels, whole pixel data of this image size. So thank you for watching me. I'll be back with next practical lecture. You can find all these practices inside into the code file with this lecture. Thank you.